Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to fix PayPal not sending verification code. Now in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you need to keep in mind is that you have used the right phone number associated with your PayPal account. Because sometimes we are in a hurry and we put wrong number, so you need to make sure that the number is not wrong and it is correct. If it is correct and still you are not getting the verification code, then the second thing that you need to look for is that your internet connection is good or not. Sometimes what happens is when the internet connection is not working properly, then it becomes very difficult for you to get verification codes. Now if you think that there is some issue with your internet connection, in order to fix it, you can try this trick. For that, you just have to swipe down and you will be able to see your notification bar. So you just have to tap on airplane mode, and after waiting for 5 seconds, you just have to turn it off. Once done, this will refresh your internet connection and you are going to get good range. And if the issue was relating to the internet, then it will definitely fix your issue. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.